Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Spotify playing random songs. Let's get started. So if you try to play your music but Spotify keeps choosing other songs, don't worry, I'll show you two settings you need to change. So first of all, open up your Spotify application and then log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon. Then simply select settings and privacy. Inside here, simply tap on playback. And just like that, find autoplay similar content and toggle this button off. This feature plays extra song after your playlist ends, so make sure it's disabled. Next, head back to your home screen, tap on your library, and just like that, open any playlist you want to listen to. Now look at the shuffle button next to the play button. Tap until it turns gray. Gray means shuffle is off. That's it. Spotify will stop playing random songs once you change these two settings. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.